Hey there, fellow food lovers. Today, we have something zesty and tangy in store for you. Get ready to uncover the unknown facts and dive into the tantalizing flavors of one of the most popular Chinese American dishes, orange chicken. Let's jump right into it. Before we reveal the unknown facts, let's start with a quick introduction to orange chicken. This beloved dish features tender pieces of chicken coated in a crispy batter and tossed in a tangy orange flavored sauce. But did you know there's more to this dish than meets the eye? Let's explore. Fact number 1, contrary to popular belief, orange chicken is not a traditional Chinese dish. It was actually invented in the 1980s in the United States by a chef named Panda Express. Inspired by the sweet and savory flavors of American Chinese cuisine, orange chicken quickly gained popularity and became a staple in Chinese American food culture. Fact number 2, the secret to orange chicken's distinctive flavor lies in the sauce. The tangy and sweet orange sauce is typically made with a combination of orange juice, soy sauce, sugar, vinegar, garlic, and ginger. The balance of citrusy zest and savory notes creates a mouthwatering experience that keeps people coming back for more. Speaking of ingredients, let's move on to fact number 3. While the sauce is the star of the show, the chicken itself plays a vital role. The chicken is often marinated, coated in a batter, and deep fried to achieve the coveted crispy texture. The combination of juicy chicken and crispy coating adds an incredible contrast of textures to the dish. Fact number 4, orange chicken has made its way beyond American borders and has become a popular dish in international Chinese cuisine. In different parts of the world, you may find variations of orange chicken, adapted to suit local palates and ingredients. So, if you come across orange chicken during your travels, give it a try and experience its unique regional twist. Finally, fact number 5, orange chicken has become an iconic dish that even has its own designated holiday. In the United States, National Orange Chicken Day is celebrated every year, where fans of this tangy delight come together to indulge in their favorite dish. And there you have it, folks. Some fascinating unknown facts about orange chicken. From its American Chinese origins to its signature tangy sauce and global adaptations, this dish continues to bring joy to taste buds around the world. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your foodie friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delightful culinary explorations. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy feasting!